So before you use your enamelled cast iron cookware for the first time, you should give it a wash in some warm soapy water. That's just to get rid of any dust there may be from when it's come from the factory. Obviously these pieces can last a long time, and there's just a bit of a process that you need to adhere to prolong its life. Now some of the cast iron cookware comes in different colours, and I've just got a black one here, and I've used it for the first time, and as you can see it needs a good clean inside. I'm just going to show you how to do that. Just follow a simple process, and that will make sure that it lasts for a long time. Just a few things to take on board when cleaning your cast iron cookware. Obviously you should wash it after every use. Important to let it cool first, because if you plunge it into hot water, it could be prone to cracks. So the first thing you should do with a plastic spatula, just scrape away any bits of food that you can see that are stuck on. You can see it just loosens off. So just get rid of any bits of food like that. And then the next stage will be to just put some warm soapy water inside, and then you need to use a non-abrasive sponge or a dishcloth. So something like sponge like this will be fine, and don't use any wire wool scours or anything like that. One of these would be fine. So all you need to do, just like you would with anything else you're washing, just rub the sponge around just to give it a good clean. As you can see, it's easily coming off. That's why it's important to make sure you clean it after every use. Just make sure that you let it cool first. I'll just give that a good clean round. Like I say, just warm soapy water, nothing too hot. So it's had a good clean. An important thing to know is make sure that if you've had any spillovers around the side or on the rim, make sure to clean them as well. So don't just do the inside, make sure you do the outside as well. And the good thing to clean it is just use a paper towel and do it quickly as well. Just run your paper towel around, make sure it's all dry inside, and also when you clean it for the first time, make sure you dry it well with a paper towel. Because I've used this for the first time, obviously it's not going to be too bad, but if you do this each time, let's say it will last a long time for you. Just follow these simple steps. And although you can put these in the dishwasher, it's best to best to clean them by hand, because obviously dishwasher detergents can be a bit harsher. So it's a good idea just to do it by hand. And when you're storing them in your cupboard, wherever you're storing them, just to prevent any scratches and chips, it's a good idea to place a kitchen towel or paper towel between the cookware and the lid. So if you just get a paper towel, put it over like that, and then just put your lid on. Might actually be a good idea to do one just to cross over the handles as well, and then you're protecting the whole of the lid. And also when you're transporting it, when you're moving it, obviously grab it by the handles, but don't drag it, just lift it. So don't drag it along the surface, just lift it, and then you'll help protect it from getting any scrapes or anything like that. So there's just a few tips on how to prolong the life of your enamelled cast iron cookware. So in summary, when you first get it, just wash it in some warm soapy water, and of course dry it thoroughly with some paper towel. After you've used it, let it cool down before you clean it. Scrape away any stuck on bits of food with a scraper, and then put some soapy water in it, and just rinse it with a sponge that's not abrasive, no wire wool scours, just use a soft dish sponge, and then rinse it and dry it with some paper towel, and then put some paper towel in between the lid and the pot, and then that will help protect it. And don't drag it along surfaces, just lift it, and that will prolong the life of your cookware. So I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, please do give it a like and consider subscribing and ring that bell for notifications of further cooking skill videos as well as other content as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.